Roll your clothes, mastering an everyday English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, roll your clothes. This phrase is used in everyday conversations, and understanding its meaning and context can significantly enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the mysteries of this phrase together. Roll your clothes is a phrase that literally means to twist or fold your clothes into a cylindrical shape. It's a practical method often used in packing or organizing clothes. But why do people say this? And when do you use it? Let's find out. This phrase is commonly used in contexts like packing for a trip, organizing a closet, or even doing laundry. For example, when packing a suitcase, someone might advise you to roll your clothes to save space. It's a handy tip for travelers or anyone looking to maximize space and reduce wrinkles in their clothing. Why do people prefer rolling their clothes? Well, rolling clothes can prevent creases and save space. It's a technique favored by many travelers because it allows them to pack more efficiently. Also, rolled clothes are easier to organize and can make unpacking a breeze. Let's break down how to roll your clothes. 1. Lay the clothing flat. This is your starting point. 2. Fold in any sleeves or extra fabric. This helps create a uniform shape. 3. Start rolling from one end. Roll tightly to avoid loose ends. 4. Finish with the end seam at the bottom. This keeps the roll secure. Roll your clothes is more than just a phrase. It's a practical piece of advice that can make life a bit easier. Whether you're traveling or just organizing your wardrobe, this method can be incredibly useful. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.